A Calaveras County family left in the dark. They reached out to CBS 13 for answers when they passed, get this, the 1 month mark of having no electricity at their home. For more than 30 days, they've had no power and no water.
I know all of us in the meeting when we were discussing this, we were all surprised at how long that was. Your reporter Ashley Sharp got to the home just in time, though, tonight, right as the lights were coming back on.
More than a month is a long time to last with no power and no water. By the time that we got here today, PG&E had finally fixed the problem. But the Juarez family, now finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, wants to know what took so long.
The lights are on and it feels like home again.
I'm basically looking forward to being able to make a normal cup of coffee in the morning.
For 32 days, getting just a few hours of electricity and Wi-Fi has been thanks only to a generator. And without anything to power their well, it's been a month of MacGyvering to get water.
This is literally how we're doing dishes and washing our hands.
From the kitchen,
this is how you flush a toilet,
to the bathroom.
We've stayed in hotels just to take showers.
May 19th, the fire burned the Juarez family's garage to the ground at their Calaveras County home.
So this is where our garage used to be.
What was lost inside included John's music studio, an escape for this disabled veteran.
My little sanctuary, basically.
When it all burned, it took the electric panel with it. PG&E having to cut their power lines. But the Juarez family didn't know they'd be in the dark for a month.
I was calling every day. I was calling multiple numbers.
Out thousands of dollars to replace the pole out of pocket. Christina says 2 weeks ago it was ready for PG&E's final fix. Grateful to the lineman who did finally come Thursday.
He just said basically someone dropped the ball and an incompetence that they must not have known.
CBS 13 asked PG&E what was the holdup. We're still waiting for those answers, but Christina hopes they come soon.
We'd really like to get to the root of it so that somebody else doesn't have to suffer and go through what we did, because it wasn't fun.
Now that the power's back on, there is one final hurdle to cross. The Juarez family having to wait until tomorrow to get their well water reconnected.